Energy. It is not possible to think a life continuing in its natural flow without energy, which has been a necessary element for the development of humanity and the increase of the welfare level of societies for centuries. As KJ Power Generator, we are a brand that makes a difference worldwide with the value and quality we add to the production of generators that are used in the most critical moments of energy need. Our company, whose foundations were laid by our founder Musa Kürkçü in 1996, has achieved many successes so far. The generator sets that we export to more than 100 countries in the world are being manufactured as being suitable for all geographical conditions and in compliance with different emission regulations. Every year, according to the data of the Turkish Exporters Assembly, we rank at the top, together with the giants of the white goods and electronics sector. From the day we started design and production to today, based on the principle of continuity in development and quality, we provide unconditional customer satisfaction in line with international standards. We respond to the demands from 10 kVA to 3000 kVA with single generators. For multi-MVA powers, we respond them with our synchronization systems. At the same time, mobile light towers and hybrid generator packages in which renewable energy is integrated are also among the product types we offer. Compact sound isolation cabins, fuel tanks, trailers, control and transfer panels, and synchronization systems used in the construction of generator sets are also produced in our factory with the latest technology. With our technology and investments, we continue to accelerate our sector in line with global standards. Our generator sets are tested in our test, measurement and monitoring units, designed in accordance with international standards, and digital reports are prepared for them. Our quality control processes that we apply as required by the standards in all production lines and at the final control stage are being carried out by our experts. Our engines and alternators are always kept ready in stock for fast deliveries. Our after-sales services department is structured to serve our customers 24/7. Our spare parts stock for all maintenance and emergency needs is at your service with a high availability rate, and a 10-year spare parts supply commitment is provided for every product we sell. Construction, manufacturing, mining, telecommunication, oil and gas, education, tourism, transportation, health, agriculture, defense industry. Many sectors that play a part in every moment of our lives prefer the generator sets we produce. KJ Power Generator. Whenever you need energy,